activity on the importance of English. Thank you everyone present here. Today we are excited to perform a skit on English language. As you know, English is the language of international communication. It is the official language in 53 countries and spoken as the first language by nearly 400 million people worldwide. English is also one of the most widely used languages worldwide. Mastering English opens doors to countless opportunities. Hello everyone, I am here to share some interesting facts about English.
English helps us connect with people from all around the world.
For example, when you greet someone in English, you open the door to new friends.
And knowing English makes learning other subjects easier too. Let's talk about parts of the building blocks of English. There are 8 main parts of speech: noun, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections.
I am a noun. Noun names people, place or things. For example, teacher or school. I am a pronoun. Pronoun replaces nouns to avoid repetition like he, she or they.
I am an adjective. Adjectives give more information about nouns like beautiful, small or blue. I am a verb. Verb shows action or state of being. For example, run, is or have. I am an adverb. Adverb describes verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. They tell how, when or where something happens. For example, quickly or yesterday. I am a conjunction. Conjunctions connect words or group of words. For example, I am, but or because. I am a preposition. Preposition shows the relationship between a noun and another word, like on, in or under.
I am an interjection. Interjection express strong emotions or feelings or and often followed by an explanation mark like wow and oh no. That's a brief overview of parts of speech in English. We hope you all are enjoyed this little learning section. Thank you all for your attention.